TPF, Trips, Places, and Fun. Today we are at Universal Studios. Yesterday we were at Islands of Adventure things, so come along.
So far, rope drop time, and it's slow. 5 minute, 10 minute, but you'd expect that. We'll see how it goes over the next hour or so. So it's not as nice as it was yesterday. It was sunny and beautiful. It's kind of dreary today, but a whole lot better weather than Branson, Missouri, or Pigeon Forge, Gatlinburg, Tennessee, which is where we were earlier. Even better than Charleston, South Carolina. All right, so at road drop, we decided to do Fast and Furious Supercharged. Not because it's the best ride, but because it's the one that has like 90-minute waits. At least it did yesterday when we were checking. So here we are, and it is currently a 10-minute wait.
You were going to a party?
Yeah!
One person. That definitely explains the atmosphere. We'll work on that more in a bit. Hey, Mia, what's up?
Hey, Pat. I see our party goers have arrived.
Yeah, we're chilling. Why don't you say hi to them?
Hey, everybody. I'm Mia, Dom's sister. Well, another race just wrapped, and it looks like my brother won another car for his collection.
No surprise.
Honestly, I don't know why anybody challenges him.
Boredom.
Well, we're meeting up at Sullivan's Garage for the after party, and while Tej works on your rides, you guys enjoy the break room. My brother calls this the family room. Dom says he doesn't have friends, he has family.
Aww.
And the faces you see on these walls are our family.
So where's my
When I'm
face?
in this room, I feel like we're all together again.
Oh wow, there's people! Okay, alright guys, don't worry. Everything's fine. Safe. Okay, I'm great, I got it. Okay. Oh gosh, they're staring! Okay, give me a second. Okay, I got it. Okay, 1, 2, 3, Pampers. I'm a big kid now. Okay, here you go. Hi guys, hi! Hi! My name is Jamie, welcome to the war room. Yippee! Ha 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 ha. Not good at all, isn't it? There's another thing. Tej usually sits in his chair right here, but he's not here today. So you're stuck with me. Ha 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 ha. You got it.
Sorry, Brother Tej, no time for chit-chat. I just sent you a brief on FBI agent Novak. Has Toretto filled you in?
Yeah, I don't think so.
Yeah.
Okay, never mind.
He wants us to get everybody over to the party at Sullivan's.
Sounds like a plan. That party is a ready-made diversion. Keep it going. We need to discuss how you're gonna get all those civilians out of there without tipping off the FBI.
Face mask,
Okay, hold on. Let me get everybody squared away, and we'll talk offline.
So we have a problem here. Our littlest one didn't use the restroom.
She says, okay, I'm fine.
Oh, she's fine. So we're gonna have to get out of the line.
Now you're fine.
But now she's fine. I hope you're fine because you're strong enough to hold it, and not because there was an accident.
We're gonna go on a Fast and Furious party bus.
Fast and Furious party bus. Every single ride gives you hand sanitizer, every one of them.
Yep. They must go through a lot of it every day. I see every other row.
Is that what they're doing? Oh, well,
Unless you're in one party like we are.
What about these guys to the right?
Well,
Oh yeah, there's an empty row there. Yep. Well, as you can see, we're not on the ride. Eva couldn't hold it, so we had to get out of line, and they went running down this tunnel to find a restroom. Hopefully she makes it. And then we're gonna come back through this tunnel and actually ride the ride. All right, Fast and Furious, what do you think?
Yeah, that's the first time we rode that. It was fun, it was good. I would say maybe it wasn't quite as awesome as I expected, but I still liked it.
They used to have that on the actual Mad Lot tour. So it's still really slow. It started to rain a little bit, and it's a little chilly. But very slow day. Slow day, right?
Yeah, we've gotten pretty much on everything really quick, so.
What are we doing next?
Men in Black. Men in Black.
Men in Black. Amy loves this ride. Did you love that one, Eva?
That was the first one kind of scary. But she liked it. Although she was trying to debunk it because I said, now we're on E.T.'s planet. And she was like, well, then how are we breathing?
Whoa. Good point, Eva. So is it everything that you remembered?
I do love it. I do. I mean, it doesn't have the bells and whistles as some of the more the newer rides, but yes.
I thought we were going to run into the wall.
There was no pre-show. There was no. E.T. didn't say our names like he used to.
Right.
Remember that?
I think they've eliminated all of that to eliminate contact.
So that makes it even faster.
Yeah.
So what are we doing now? We're going to go to the Animal Actors show, right?
Yeah.
What did Eva say?
I don't know. She's been talking to me the whole time.
Oh.
Why were the fake police coming? Because they wanted to capture E.T.
Why?
They thought he was a bad guy, but he was really a good guy. So what'd you think, Eva?
The whole time she was going, "Aww, aww, oh." They were.
What was your favorite animal?
The dogs.
The dog.
She loves the dog.
So we're thinking about lunch. We might go out onto City Walk.
Oh, look, there's Puss in Boots.
In the meantime, there's a cat. Okay, go, go, go. Go, Eva, go, Eva. Go, everybody.
Make sure there's still 7 of us.
It's easier when you and I do these trips by ourselves.
Yeah.
When there's 7 of us, I mean, there could be even 2 or 3 missing and I might not notice.
I feel like when they ask how many people are on the ride, we say 7, and they call it to people are like, 7, there's 7. I'm like, we're not an anomaly. We'll be back.
The lady said, thanks for coming, but Amy reassured her, the lady at the gate, don't worry, we're coming back. All is gonna be okay, we're coming back. Right, isn't that what you told her? We're just eating lunch. The Burton family will be back on park at Universal.
I'm sure she was worried.
On Parker's TikTok, someone said we should try Voodoo Donuts, so we're gonna do that. But I owe Jet $5 because the Bears didn't win the Super Bowl. If they would have won the Super Bowl, he would have owed me $50. Yeah, and everybody out there I know, probably not the best bet, but the Bears. All right, it's donut eating time. Woo!
Oh, there was a thing on it. It said like Universal.
What was it?
It said
Mom
Universal
ate it?
Studios. It's like plate on the front. Well, I don't want to get a video.
Mom ate. Amy ate something off my donut. I'll be having a talk with her as soon as she gets back. See that?
All right, I got the grape 8. This place.
There's supposed to be something there.
Like Kurt's Donuts, which.
Amy,
Yeah.
what did you do?
There was just a little piece of white chocolate on top.
Right there in that empty spot.
Yeah, it said Hollywood Studios.
You ruined my donut experience.
It was white chocolate
Why didn't you get one all for yourself?
because they're not gluten-free.
Mommy was.
Can I have that?
No, that's Jet's.
No.
So, Aim, what do you think of the Borne Stuntacular?
That was insane. Insane. I've never seen anything like it. I hadn't heard a lot about it, but oh my goodness. That has to be the best stunt show I've ever seen. Just the way they intermerse the live action and the tech. It was the digital. It was flawless and amazing.
That was the most incredible thing I've ever seen in my life. Amazing, phenomenal, unbelievable. Wow.
Why aren't you in school?
I probably should be.
Do what?
I probably should be, but...
Yeah, you probably should be. Yeah, you're right. That's good parenting, once again. Well, Lennon, how are you? Good to see you. All right, got about a minute left. Anybody need a refresher? Anybody need a squirt? A little squirt. Jet, when's the last time you washed your hands?
I don't...
Exactly, yeah. All right, come here.
Go down.
Come on.
Go, go.
Unbelievable.
Alright.
It's okay, Dad. Sure. Hey. Come on. Just come on. Unbelievable. Oh, you know what? Actually, you're right. You're fine. Stay right there. I just gotta, it's not you, it's me. I just got social distance. Right there. Go, okay. Nothing personal, you understand? All right, 2 hands, Jet. 2 hands. Keep them together. I don't want to get it on the carpet there. All right, hold still. Nope. Get your aerials, get your fixed up here. How many in your party, sir? Yeah, that's it. Oh, yeah. Look, you're a grown boy, you know, so you know the disease. All right, kid, that should hold you. All right, just oh, you need more? Okay, sir. I'm gonna do that. There you go. It's more of a body wash, really. So yeah, just spread the love, Jed. Just spread the love. None of that guy he's freaking out, but just keep all the family there. All right. I'm gonna keep everybody safe. You know, just do my part.
Alright, she says she didn't do it. It's really sad when kids lie. What's your name? Ella? Ella. Ella, where are you from? Missouri. Okay. I'm gonna let this go, Ella. Okay, but just be safe. The rest of the show. Ella. Excuse me. Ooh, is that me? I'm watching you like a hawk from Missouri. See, this isn't Disney World. I don't have to be nice to the children. Okay. Are you okay? I just really hate kids. I know.
So, Parker, how many do you have on your, how many views do you have on your video?
137,000.
You have 137,000 views. Show everybody the video.
I think you have 137 views on yours.
On our last YouTube video that just came out today. So that's your TikTok. When did you put it out? What time?
3 hours ago.
And you have how many views?
137,000.
We were trying to get Squidward to dab. He wouldn't do it. All right, what are we doing?
Well, how much time do we have left?
20 minutes.
We have 20 minutes before park close.
What should we do?
146,000.
Now you have 146,000.
It just gained 9,000 views.
Wow. I was gonna say
What's your
Harry
TikTok,
Potter,
Parker? Everyone wants to know.
I'm Parker Burton.
I am Parker Burton. About 20 minutes left in the day, and believe it or not, my children decided they're tired and they want to go home. What the heck?
Well, we will be back again in 2 days. So we did the deal where if you pay for 2 days, you get 3 days free. So we've got 5 days here at these two parks over the course of a week. So we have plenty of time to do the couple of things that we didn't do yet.
I thought I was getting more tired, you know, than I used to when I'd visit these parks. But clearly I have more energy than my children. What the heck?
I just don't want to ride that ride.
So, well, is this farewell and goodbye and see you later?
Should I say it?
Yeah, why don't you give them a rundown of kind of what the day felt like?
So another great day here at Universal. It's just been awesome. Love this time of year. The weather's really good. It's a little cooler today and cloudy, but you know, it's a great escape from the heat and humidity that you find in the summer. Low crowds, low wait times. Highly recommend coming this time of year. All right, guys. Also, if you'd like to subscribe to see more travel videos, we would love that, and give us a thumbs up. Safe travels, everyone.
It's 200,000.